Hello everyone. Here we present our work on self-supervised 3D human pose estimation. This work was carried out at Indian Institute of Science in collaboration with Google Research. Our goal is to estimate 3D pose of highly deformable humans from monocular RGB images in the absence of any paired supervision. The available weakly supervised approaches require a considerable amount of paired annotation, thereby resulting in poor generalizability. Acknowledging this, we propose a self-supervised method that is free from any paired supervision or auxiliary 3D cue such as multiview or depth. We consider access to the following to loosely characterize the 3D pose representation. First, we extract image pairs from wild YouTube videos depicting the same person in diverse poses and background. Next, we access the human pose articulation knowledge, that is, relative bone lengths and the underlying limb connectivity information. Third, we utilize a joint-anchored puppet model which uses the joint part association to roughly segment out the foreground human. Next, we consider access to a pool of unpaired 3D pose skeletons which is used to constrain predicted pose to follow the real pose distribution. To devise a self-supervised objective, we aim to disentangle the fundamental factors of variations in human-centric images, that is the pose, foreground appearance and background appearance. In this work, we leverage the full advantage of incorporating the joint-anchored 2D puppet model for the above objective. Note that the puppet model not only encapsulates pose, but also separates foreground from background. We aim to discover 3D pose as a disentangled latent representation in an encoder-decoder setup. We use image pairs depicting the same person in diverse poses and backgrounds. They are passed through two parallel encoder pathways to obtain their respective foreground appearance A and pose P. Next, the decoder takes pose of the first alongside the appearance of the second to output a foreground image I hat and segmentation map Y hat. Here, the decoder is forced to yield foreground of IT using the appearance of IS for a faithful disentanglement. The pose prediction head of the encoder consists of a series of predefined differentiable transformations to facilitate the discovery of a plausible pose representation. First, the encoder predicted local 3D vectors are processed through a forward kinematic transformation module to obtain the canonical 3D pose. Following this, the encoder predicted camera extrinsics are used to obtain the 2D joint locations. This is then used by the part-based deformation module to obtain a multi-channel pose map. Next, we discuss the training objectives of the proposed framework. Note that we do not have access to the ground truth image for I hat. Thus, we rely on the foreground mask obtained from the predicted pose PT to minimize the masked image reconstruction loss as shown in the figure. Going forward, we realize that the predicted pose is highly unreliable in absence of any explicit plausibility constraint. Thus, we decide to use pose samples from the pool of unpaired skeletons, that is QZ. We impose appearance invariance and pose equivariance between the predicted image pairs while using the puppet mask as shown in the figure. We realize that the model still inculcates a discrepancy between true pose and predicted pose distributions. To address this, we devise a decoupled energy minimization strategy. As shown in the figure, the predicted image is fed to the shared encoder to minimize the cyclic reconstruction of pose and appearance. Moving on to the experiments, we perform quantitative comparison on two standard datasets. In presence of multi-view supervision, we outperform the closest prior art by a significant margin. Next, we demonstrate state-of-the-art weakly supervised performance against recent prior arts at consistent supervision level. Lastly, we also train a semi-supervised variant of our framework which achieves comparable performance against the prior fully supervised approaches. Next, we evaluate the effectiveness of our framework beyond the primary task of pose estimation. Our model yields faithful part segmentation across both in-studio and in-the-wild samples. We also perform pose transfer where the pose obtained from the first row is transferred to the image in the second row and vice versa. Next, we visualize the prediction by varying the predicted camera extrinsics. This shows a clear disentanglement of pose, appearance and camera. In summary, the proposed framework realizes 3D pose as one of the latent factors even in absence of any auxiliary 3D cue such as multiview or depth. Our framework has two prominent traits. First, the effective imposition of both human 3D pose articulation and joint part association constraint via structural means. Second, the usage of a part deformation model that enables segregation of foreground humans resulting in robustness to changing backgrounds. For more details and complete results, please visit our project page. Thank you.